Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to DIY my Whitestone Doom Glass. Whitestone Doom Glass is the best tempered glass screen protector that has full adhesive, not just around the edge, and doesn't affect touch sensitivity. I highly recommend you to watch the entire video so that you know what you should do and what you should not do. These are what I'm going to talk about. Things you need, the instructions, what you should do and what you should not do, pros and cons of this DIY protector, and all of the tools will be linked below. And these are what you're going to need. You are going to need a tempered glass screen protector. I highly suggest you to get one that has a big cutout for the speaker and comes with an installation tray to make the process a bit easier. And you also need LOCA glue. In this video I used the one that came with the Whitestone Doom Glass, which is more runny. I bought a 50ml bottle of LOCA glue on eBay for less than $10. Its viscosity is around 1,600, which is a bit thicker than the one from Whitestone. And you also need tape. You need to tape the speakers both top and bottom so that glue cannot get in. And you also need a UV lamp. You can get one on Amazon for around $10. Any kind of UV lamp is fine. Before you begin to install the glass, make sure that the desk or the table that you are working on is flat and level and no sunlight in the room. Why? Because sunlight has UV light which will cure the glue, and you do not want to cure the glue in the middle of the process. And another thing to keep in mind is that it might get messy, so grab a paper towel or some cleaning tool. After gathering all the tools and prepare your workstation, next thing to do is to clean the display of the phone. Clean all dust, oil, and fingerprints. Since the screen protector that I bought came with an installation tray, I put it on and moved on to the next step, which is putting glue on the phone display. Pour the glue in the middle of the display. More glue is better than less glue. There might be more mess to clean up, but better than starting the whole process over because you put too little glue. Important, only one puddle of glue should be on the display. If you accidentally pour the glue at two different places, connect them so that it forms a big puddle. Also, if there are any small drops of glue on the display, clean them up, otherwise it will form bubbles. Last thing, if you see any bubbles, pop them before you put the glass on. Now, the glue should be prepared, and you are ready to move on to the next step, which is peel off the back plastic on the glass and slowly place the glass down. Start at the bottom. Try not to move the phone around too much. Slowly place the glass down. Slowly, okay? Do not put the glass down too fast because it will form bubbles if you do so. Once the glass is down, the glue should slowly fill in the gap. It might take some time, so just be patient. And the time it takes the glue to fill in the gap depends on the viscosity of the glue. If it is more runny, then it will fill the gap faster, and vice versa. Do not press or move the glass. Once the glue fills the entire display, slowly take the installation tray off. Next, grab a cloth or a paper towel and run it around the edge of the tempered glass to clean up the excess glue. Do not rub it or push it. Just touch it gently with the cloth or a paper towel. Again, you don't want to move the tempered glass. Just clean the edge of the tempered glass for now. Don't worry about the edge of the phone. We will clean it up later. This will be your last chance to move the tempered glass to the right position if you're not aligned correctly, or to start over if you're not happy. If you're happy with the placement of the glass, grab your UV light and begin to cure the glue. If you want to know when the glue is fully cure, you can pour some glue on a small cup or a small bottle cap and put it next to the display. If the glue inside the cup or cap is fully cure, then the glue on the display should be cure. If you don't have a UV lamp, you can place the phone in direct sunlight. The UV from the sun will cure the glue, and you can repeat this as many times as you want. It will not do any harm to the display. Once the display is fully cure, you can peel off the tape on the speakers and use a wet paper towel to clean the side of the phone. Only use water. Do not use alcohol. Again, just water, no alcohol. And done. So basically everything is done. As you can see, my display has two bubbles, one on top right and one on bottom left. I think the reason is because I did not peel off the adhesive around the edge of the tempered glass, which form a seal and trap air inside. So remember to peel all of the adhesive on the protector before you put it on. There is also a small lint on the top right corner, but you have to look closely to see it. The glue did a pretty good job at hiding the dust and lint. And next is the pros and cons of this DIY protector. These are the pros of this DIY protector. It is much cheaper than the white stone doom glass. It doesn't affect touch sensitivity even at the areas that has bubbles. It doesn't fall off after a long period of use. It is safe to be used near water because it has full adhesive. Water cannot get in between the display and the glass like those tempered glass that has the adhesive only around the edge. Water can still get between the glass and the display because it doesn't create a good seal. Last pro of this DIY protector is that it hides those ugly matrix dots on the tempered glass. If you look closely, you can see those matrix dots at the area that doesn't have any glue, but not the area that has glue. And next is the cons of this DIY protector. First, it takes time and balls to install it. It is not easy like those regular protector. It took me like 15 minutes to install it correctly, and I still make like some little mistakes like the bubbles and lint. Second, the whole process might get messy because the glue is sticky and it also smells kind of bad, you know. Yeah. Last, if you make a mistake like I did, you know, those bubbles and lint, you either have to live with it or have to go through the entire process again. Yeah, but overall, am I happy? Yes, I'm happy with the final outcome of this DIY protector. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Feel free to share this video to your friends. Peace out.